In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to share Google Drive folders using links and emails. Whether you're collaborating with colleagues or sharing memories with friends, Google Drive makes it easy to share your files and folders. Let's dive straight into the steps without any delay. Start by opening your preferred web browser and searching for Google Drive. You're aiming to open the link that takes you directly to Google Drive, preferably the one with the URL drive.google.com/drive quota, as this will guide you straight to your files. Once the page loads, it's time to log in with your Google account credentials so you can access your Drive contents. Now that you're logged in, let's explore how to share a folder directly via email. Begin by finding the folder you wish to share. With it identified, right-click on the folder and select the option labeled Share. This action will open the Share with Others box where you can specify the recipients. Enter the email addresses or Google groups of everyone you want to share the folder with. This feature is particularly handy when you know the specific individuals or groups who need access. Next, assign roles to each recipient. Click on the drop-down menu next to each email address and choose whether you want them to be a viewer, a commenter, or an editor. Each choice determines the level of access they will have, so pick carefully based on what you require from them. Full control or simple viewing privileges can go a long way in maintaining the integrity or usability of shared files. If you wish to alert them of this new access, ensure the Notify People box is checked. This sends them an email notification about their newfound ability to access the folder directly from their inbox. To complete this step, click Send. It's as straightforward as that. Now, if you prefer sharing via a link, let's go through that process. Once you're on the Share screen again, look for the General Access section towards the bottom of the dialog. In this section, you'll find the current restriction settings. By default, it might be set to Restricted, meaning only specifically invited users can view it. Change this setting to Anyone with the link. This alteration will allow broader access, meaning anyone who has the URL can view the folder content. Then, click Copy Link. With the link copied, you can paste it into an email, add it to a document, or share it in a chat message. For a polished touch, make the link a clickable text phrase by highlighting the text and using the Insert Link icon. And there you have it, a seamless way to share folders via Google Drive. With these steps, you can share your digital content efficiently and securely. Thanks for watching, and I hope you found this guide helpful.